Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and turn off notes on Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply for you to know that this is simply a new update given by Messenger itself, right? So just like here in Instagram, we do have notes we can add on, remove our own notes. For example, we can go to Messenger, we're gonna go to our notes, we can create ourselves a note, right? We can share it, and our note is shared. So if you want to remove that particular one, we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on our note just like that, and then we have option of leave a new note and delete note. We can change it, otherwise we can simply tap on delete note, tap on remove again, and our note is removed. But if you want to turn this off completely, we don't want to see no notes, we don't want to add our own, we cannot do that. This is given by the apps update itself. As a user, we have no other way but to take it, but you can choose not to see other people's notes, or you can choose not to write one. That is the way, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.